Hi friends, my name is Viri coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston, and this Brain Break is brought to you by Georgia Mary Josephine Hammond Foundation. Are you ready to bring in the new year? Do you have all your fireworks ready? If not, that's okay. I will show you how to make a DIY confetti popper using 4 simple materials. You'll need a toilet paper roll, a pair of scissors, a balloon, a piece of paper to make a confetti, and a tape. First, you're gonna grab your balloon and you're gonna cut it. Cut it a little lower, just like this. You're gonna grab your toilet paper roll and you're gonna put it on top, like a hat. And if you need help, you're welcome to ask your parents to help you for this. Okay, perfect. Once that's done, you're gonna grab your tape and you're gonna cut a piece of it so it could go around the balloon. Perfect. And then you're gonna tape it down so you can secure it, just like this. Next, you're gonna grab any type of paper. I chose the blue color so I can make a confetti, and you're just gonna rip it into pieces. Once that's done, you're gonna add it inside your toilet paper roll. And there you go. It's ready to pop. Thanks for joining our Brain Break. Don't forget to follow us on our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Iriana, and I wish you a Happy New Year.